and once again a warm welcome on my show, Candid with Candida. Today I have with me a renowned personality, a renowned fame, a renowned celebrity from Goa, from the fashion industry, who is not only an icon, but she is a role model, an example to all the youth, to all the women, to all the girls who are watching our episode today. म्हज्या सांगात्याक आसा एक असले सेलिब्रिटी जाणें एक मेकअप आर्टिस्टांतल्यान सुरवात करून जायत्या सेलिब्रिटीजां बरोबर ताणें जावं भुमिका केल्या, ताणें वेगवेगळे तरेचे जावं एक्टींग करून लोकांची काळजां मनां जिखून घेतलेलीं आसा. तशेंच ते जावन आसा एक्स व्हॉलीबॉल नॅशनल प्लेयर, तशेंच जायते OTT जावं OTT प्लॅटफॉर्म जे आसा तातूंत ताणें परचाई हो Z5 हाचेर ताणें भुमिका केल्ली आसा. आनी आयज म्हजे बरोबर हांगासर आसा वी हॅव द रोल मॉडेल फॉर ऑल द वुमन हू इज वॉचिंग आउट देर, ऑल द गर्ल्स, समीक्षा करमलकर हाजी येवकार तुका आमचे हे कार्यावळीन. आनी ताच्या सांगात्याक आसा द ग्रेट फिल्म maker, the great film director who has 11 years of experience in filmmaking both in Goa and in Mumbai. जशे परी तो म्हणटा working for TV shows, for Zee Living as an associate and creative director. He is over here. He is also having his own production house that is AMI. हाजे elaboration तो तुमकां करून दितलो. We have with us Mr. Prasad Naik. येवकार तुका आमचे कार्यावळीन. How are you all?
Yeah, absolutely fine.
Great.
बरे इसलिए तुझे sure you nice.
Fit and fine.
Fit and fine.
Great film.
You are great. All right. Okay, let's get started. जशे परी समीक्षा बाय हांवें आतांच सांगलां की यू आर अ रोल मॉडेल. लायक जी कोण तुका पळयता दे टेक यू एज अ आयडल, लायक यू नो ती तुजे भशेन जावपाक सोदता जायतीं जाणां. सो वेन आय रेड युअर हिस्ट्री एंड ऑल, स्कुलान सावन तुका एक्टींग करपाची जायती उमेद आसली. सो एक्स नॅशनल व्हॉलीबॉल प्लेयर एंड अ स्विच टू एक्टींग. हाव डीड दीस ऑल स्टार्ट? वॉज दॅट लायक यू नो तुवें केन्ना चिंतलेलें अशें जातलें म्हणून?
मस्त जे चितिना तेच जाता लायफान. You know,
Okay.
you don't agree. You always expect unexpected. That's what happened in my life. मस्त आमचे when we are small we think about many things. You know, I want to do this, I want to do that. But sometimes it doesn't happen. But of course, when I was studying in school, I was in sports. I was very active as in school or as a child. Or Sadas, I was a very active child.
Okay.
I used to love to get involved in everything. You know, in school also I was always involved in. Besides sports, I was always there everywhere. I always used to love to be on the stage. But sports ek ashe ashile, no, it was very very close to my heart. Like I was really, I can say volleyball is my first love and it is still and it will be till I am alive.
Okay.
So sports ek ashe ashile ki we were always on ground playing volleyball. I started from my 5th standard, so volleyball was something I was always crazy about. So I mean, can I chitungna ki I actually it is I always tell my friend, my family also know that I always wanted to be a volleyball coach actually.
Okay.
Actually that profession I always wanted to have, but that didn't happen due to some circumstances, or you know you should have a proper guidance in life, I always think. But as you say, you know, ek dar ban zale dusre dar rockade zugatta, and that opportunity you should never leave and you should always grab it. As a child I was always interested in art, like you know, makeup is a art for me. So I was always interested in painting, drawing. So makaista that's how I went into makeup.
Okay.
Makeup is like art. Then you for me any guest face is like a, you know, canvas, and I love to paint it.
Okay. Tell me something. तुझे मोती नाहले की आपण एक एक्टर जातले म्हणून?
ना केन्नाच ना. पण जशें तुवें म्हटलें की म्हाका स्कुलानसून खूब आवड आशिल्ली स्टेजीचेर आसपाची, किंवा हांव सगळ्या प्लेन पार्टिसिपेट करतालें. सिंगींग, डान्सींग, जे आमी सदांच म्हणटा आय लव सिंगींग, डान्सींग. पण प्ले जे नाटकां जातालीं आमचे, थोडे थोडे शोज जाताले, आय यूज टू ऑलवेज पार्टिसिपेट. बट ना, एक्टींग हांवें केन्ना चिंतूना की हांव यू नो एज अ करियर म्हणून परत अशें. इट्स नॉट आय हॅव टेकन अ परमनंट करियर, बट आय एम इन टू एक्टींग बिकॉज आय लव इट. एक्टींग दॅट हॅपन इन 2017. Since then I have started acting professionally, nicely.
Okay. From there, from 2017, your journey has started.
As an actor. As an actor.
All right. Okay. Now, Zana Prasad Bab, तू आता चिंताला हांव कितें विचारतलें काय म्हणून, right? Okay. So tell me your.
Great filmmaker.
All right. Tell me your history. जशे परी ताणें सांगलें की right from the schooling time, she had this wish to become an actor. So what is from your side?
From my side, माझे पयलींच्यान लायक फ्रॉम स्कूल डेज आय वॉज नॉट मच इन टू स्पोर्ट्स. आय वॉज इन टू फुटबॉल, लिटल इन टू क्रिकेट, क्लबा खातीर खेळटालो. बट ताच्या फुडें जेन्ना आयलो आय डिडंट नो आय वूड गेट इन टू एनी ऑफ दीस फील्ड. Okay, but I still remember till date, there's a teacher which I had in school, and she always told me that Prasad, you're not meant for any professional degree or anything. Trust me, you learn music or you'll get into any art form, you are meant for that. Okay, and she's still teaching, she's not retired yet, and so ताच्या उपरांत स्कुलान कॉलेजीन गेलो. From there I went to Gales. I did my pharmacy. I'm a pharmacist. And the moment I finished my pharmacist, I don't know what to do. I didn't know what to do because by then खंय ना खंय हांव म्हजें मायंड मातशें चेंज जाल्लें बिकॉज आय वॉज थिंकींग शूड आय गेट इन टू दीस फील्ड बिकॉज कॉलेजीन सुद्दां खुबश्या गोश्टीन पार्टिसिपेट करप मनांतल्यान दिसप. बट कितें आसा आमी जेन्ना गोवन एक वी एज दीस कल्चर जो आमचो आसा पळय, ट्रेडिशन आसा, एक भुरगो शिकलो, डिग्री घेतली, तो जॉब केलो, जाता तर गोंयांत तरी गव्हर्मेंट जॉब पयलो आनी मागीर तो रावलो, मागीर लग्न जालो, भुरगीं गेली. दॅट इज वॉट इज द नॉर्मल ट्रेडिशन. म्हज्या खातीर that year when I passed out, okay, and that too I'm telling you this for the first time, ज्या वर्सा हांव ग्रॅज्युएट जाला त्या वर्सा I had almost 14 back papers in pharmacy, and still I made it a point to tell my dad ki I want to get into this field, that is filmmaking, and that was acting actually. He just looked at me, असं पळयलें ताणें म्हाका, बरो ना रे काम तकलेन. म्हटलें ना तशें ना, म्हटलें बरो आसा तकलेन, म्हणून म्हटलें तूं भितर सरपाक सोदता. आनी ती कितें काम पावली 14 बॅग तशें दवरपाचें काम पावलो. हांवें म्हटलें ना तें करतलो म्हटलें हांव. बट तरी तो त्या दीस इतलेंच सांगल्यान तो सकाळी ब्रेकफास्ट केलो, तो भायर सरलो ऑफिसान. And the next morning when I told him 18th of June is the last date, and I spoke to him on 16th of June, and 17th of June morning I remember, this is in 2011, ताणें म्हाका 2012 सॉरी, ताणें म्हाका सकाळी उठयलो, उठून पावलो. हांवें उठलो, कितें जालें रेडी म्हणलें, म्हणलो वचना रे काम पावलो. हांवें खंय, तुका फी भरपाची ना काम पावलो. कसली फी जाली म्हटलें, 4 वर्सां फी भरली तुवें, जाली कॉलेज जाली म्हटलें. पावलो तूं बॉम्बे हांगा असो न्हिदतलो काय पावलो, असो बॉम्बे न्हिदल्यान काय जावपाना म्हणटा तुजें, बॉम्बे वचूं काय म्हटलें हांव. एंड दॅट इज द मोमेंट आय वोक अप, आय गॉट अप, आय वेंट, फीज भरले, आय वेंट टू बॉम्बे. एंड देन इन दॅट प्रोसेस आय केम टू बेलगाम वेर आय वॉज डुईंग माय ग्रॅज्युएशन, एंड आय आन्सर्ड दोज 14 पेपर्स एट अ स्ट्रेच, वेरेन सकाळी एक पेपर, सांजचो एक पेपर असो आसतालो म्हाका. माय मॉम केम टू बेलगाम, वी स्टेड टुगेदर, आय रोट माय पेपर्स, आय क्लियर्ड. एंड देन अगेन फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन कशें आसा, दीस वॉज अ न्यू जर्नी. बॉम्बे गेलो म्हटल्यार म्हजो बॉम्बे लायक इन माय फॅमिली पयस म्हणसर पयलीं म्हणजे कोणें बी फार्म करून नाशिल्लें, बॅचलर ऑफ फार्मसी, दॅट वॉज अ न्यू थिंग. देन अगेन आय गॉट इन टू फिल्म मेकिंग, दॅट वॉज अ न्यू थिंग. पीपल स्पोक अ लॉट, खूब उलयले लोकांनी कितें करपाक सोदता. बट देन वेन आय वेंट देर एंड आय मेड माय वे आउट समहाव, गॉट इन टू फिल्म मेकिंग इन झी इंस्टिट्यूट. बेसिकली आय डिड माय फिल्म मेकिंग, and I had my sir called Javed Khan, who is a very good actor, and थंयच्यान ते फिल्म मेकिंग करून आय डिड नो वॉट टू डू नाव. 8 म्हयन्याचो कोर्स आशिल्लो तो सोंपलो. ताजे उपरांत स्ट्रगल करतलो म्हणजे स्ट्रगल करपाक लागलो. ऑडिशन्स दिले, ना म्हळ्यार 300-400 ऑडिशन्स दिले हांवें, आनी डेली वचप. रिजेक्ट, हांव म्हाका दिसता रिजेक्ट केलें, सगळो रिजेक्टूच जालो, सगळे कडेन रिजेक्ट जालो, खूब रिजेक्शन घेतलें. एंड देन समवन टोल्ड मी लायक देर इज अ स्मॉल जॉब and will you be able to do it? I म्हटलें fine, let's do it. कितें तें job? That was a very odd job, to tell you very frankly. So that was working for a huge theatre that is called as Fun Cinemas, and that's where was a place, this is for the first time telling on television, ki working for a fun cinema wherein I had to sweep the floor. I mean I had to vigilance, do the vigilance there. Sell popcorn, do ushering of tickets, and sell tickets. So I got into that. It's called as Fun Cinemas in Andheri West, and I had my sir called as Ram sir. And first day interview गेला हांव, आनी इंटरव्यूक ताणें म्हजो रेज्युमे घेतलो. He's looking at me and he's looking at a resume. तुझे पता है बाहर बच्चे जो बैठे 10वीं पास नहीं है, और तू आया है मेरे पास ग्रेजुएशन, वो भी फार्मेसी में, प्रोफेशनल डिग्री लेके, और तू करना चाहता है पॉपकॉर्न बेचना चाहता है. आई सेड सी, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट वर्क. आई वांट टू बी इन बॉम्बे, आई डोंट वांट टू गो एनीवेयर. आई हैव टोल्ड माय डैड आई एम नॉट कमिंग बैक होम. He was like, fine, let's do. And I started working there. Sakai Institute hotalo Santa काम करब. But he had always he used to always tell me one thing, because I remember there was a promotion of a film of Akshay Kumar that was Khiladi 786, and he had come down and he was waving out everyone, and I was peeping from the glass,
Okay.
and he came up to me at the side, and he just told me, एक दिन तेरी फिल्म लगेगी इस थिएटर में, तू ही ऐसे रहेगा उसके साथ नीचे. बोला क्या बात कर रहे सर, and I left from there. So then I worked there, and suddenly that was my first break. I got into a good production house, I would say, a big channel that is Star Plus, and that was a big show. I started from there as an intern, and from there I slowly moved on to something else, another show, then another show on Sony TV, then Bade Achhe Lagte. There was a show.
Oh,
which
that was my favorite.
yeah, most of them used to watch. So got into production there. Then there was one more, I forgot the name. So that was one more
Many,
show.
but-
Yeah. So it went on from TV to TV. Then I got into creatives, into a channel called as Z Living, branch of Z again. So they used to do international shows. I became the creative for them. I started as an associate, and then I went on to become a creative head for that. And Taja Fuden, again there was a small drop that came in my life, and there was no work. What to do? I didn't know what. And that moment I realized that I have a degree. That was graduation in pharmacy. I took that degree. I went to a company in Churchgate, and because I didn't want to come back. I was stubborn.
You didn't
I
want to come
no.
back.
Because I wanted to do something. I went to Bombay. I went to Churchgate and third interview dilo. That was my first pharmaceutical job. R&B, Raptacos and Brett company, and that company I job घेतला as a marketing rep. So I started doing that. And from morning 7 o'clock to evening night, thirds bob. Tato pita the floods in Bombay, third shirkalo. All those things happened. And then one more, I got a shoot, and I thought that was the shoot I got as an executive producer. I thought probably this might be a life-changing thing, and I resigned from the job.
Okay.
And I said I'm resigning, and that job was the first national anthem to be done and to be shown in all the theaters in India. Before the show starts, the national anthem used to come. Because now they show a flag, they don't show any video. So Tokela went, and I said, okay, fine, let's do it. And I did that. I shot that. Soon after that, I went on doing small ads. Then as an EP, I started working as an executive producer, and this went on. This I didn't know that I'm either gonna stop or not. And as I was going ahead, suddenly there was one more drop, and that was a drop when my dad fell sick. That drop came up after 6 months. So अशी करून काही ना काही आयज हांव हांगा पावल्लो आसा. खुबशे गोष्टी ड्रॉप जाय, because if I sit telling you, I guess the show will get over.
Yes.
So, but today I'm here in Goa right now for past 3 years.
Okay.
Just because of COVID, I had come here and I started a small business in that.
Are you enjoying in Goa? Do you like to stay in Goa? You want
Yeah,
to go
because
back?
I'm doing what I'm loving, no. So
Okay.
that is what I'm doing. I'm doing my graduation. I have a pharmacy, a day and night pharmacy, and plus I'm doing my filmmaking things. I'm doing short
So
films.
do you
here.
have any plans to go back?
Bombay? No, I want to get Bombay to Goa. I don't want to go to Bombay. Now I don't want to.
All right,
I want to break
Samiksha.
Goa that
Okay, you also have done many things. So tell me from your side, like you have been into acting in Konkani movies, Parchai also in Z5 you've done. Then many things are there. So tell me something.
I'm blessed to be sitting next to him. So माझी जर्नी जशी हांवें तुका सांगली स्कुलांसून स्टार्ट जाली because I played for Goa for many years because I
When was the
represented Goa.
turning point in your life?
I think a turning point 2017 when I became Mrs. Goa. I think that was a huge turning point for me as into the fashion industry and everything. So 2017 in May I won Mrs. Goa.
Okay.
And after that I went to represent Mrs. Goa also at Chennai. Same year. And same year, I think everything happened in 2017 also. Only.
Luck
because
for
I think I'm very lucky.
I was
In that-
struggling there. That time.
All right. How did
I
your
also
acting career
struggled,
get
okay?
started? Like your
Sorry.
acting
Okay.
career?
So in 2017, Vincent Academy, they were doing a small short film. The students of Vincent Academy, and they wanted a makeup artist.
Okay.
Okay, so I had gone there as a makeup artist. So the director who were doing that short film said, why don't you do a screen test, because we want one more character and we would like to do a screen test with you because we feel you will fit into that.
Okay.
It was a wife's role, and it was a short film where I had Samiksha Desai also, and I'm not a artist because it was their short film. they wanted to do it for their batch. I said okay, because I was always interested. So I did the screen test and then I got selected. They said you fit into this role well, so we want you.
So that's
So
how it
I will
started?
say my short film started, from 2017, from there. And then I think I always loved acting, so haven't they, why not? Makeup, I'm of course I'm learning, I'm doing, it's my profession. Why I also don't do acting? Because I always believe a life ekudda maita.
Yes.
And you should never leave any opportunity. Never.
Just grab the opportunity.
Just grab it.
All right. Okay, what are your future plans?
About future, if you ask me about this industry, you can say, then there is something big that
Something big.
big for me, I can say. Probably it is
And
very
for
small
all of us.
hopefully. So something that I'm anyways planning on. We are on the verge.
Okay.
She is well versed with that
What
because
is
she's
from
a
your
part of the
side?
production.
I think we have worked together in most of the short films, and so we work in his production.
There's
Also, I'm a
something
part
big
of it.
coming up, definitely.
Yeah, we're planning for something big, and I
How is
definitely
it
want
working
it.
together?
I'm
With such a great director, he's like, I'm a big fan of him, like he said, but अच्छे लगते हैं, so I'm like, so my mama is like,
he's a
fan of
great.
him.
Besides being a great director, I think he's a very good human being, and it's always nice to work with
Yes,
good people.
right.
For me, it's always nice, and I feel very happy to work with good people and good crew. So he's like a family for me. So he's a very good person. You will always love working with him on anything, you know. So I've worked with him, but working with him, I'm a bit, he only can tell I'm full of madness. So I'm always mad when I'm on set, like
Okay.
laughing. Yeah.
Set it like
It's about getting great and all this stuff. I don't believe in that. The only thing is, I know one thing, that whatever I am today, the smallest of 5% of what I wanted to be, whatever I am today, it is because of these people. I have my parents. I have a lot of people behind me. I'm not alone.
Yeah.
A lot of people
True.
behind me who have pushed me till here and are still pushing me hard. I have many people. I can't count them.
I think same like him, my parents also. I'm very grateful to them, because wherever I'm today, it's all because of my parents, my well-wishers, my family, everyone. And if I'm going to do anything in my future, I always keep them in my mind or keep them around me. I will always walk with them. You know, I never left anyone behind. I think everyone should do that. And I always, if I'm doing something, it's always for them. Yeah, I want to be a more better actor maybe in future. Of course, makeup I'm doing, so I'm going to continue with all of that.
All right, all the very best to you guys for your future endeavors, and something big is coming up, I know that, and I'm eagerly waiting
And
for
you will
it.
be definitely informed about it.
All right, okay. Now, आता आम्ही जायते उलोयली, so it's time to have some fun. So are you ready? to
We
play
are
the rapid
always
fire
ready.
round?
I'm always ready.
All right, rapid fire round with Samiksha. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Okay, let's get started. I know this is going to be exciting now.
Yeah.
What's your
hopefully.
favorite time of the year?
Any time is my favorite time.
All right. What's the first thing you notice when it comes to someone from the opposite gender?
Opposite gender, honesty.
Okay. What is the biggest mess you've ever made in the kitchen? Don't
I'm-
lie now.
I'm always messy. I'm telling you, you should come with me.
All right. Sleeping in a tent or a hotel?
Tent.
Tent.
I'm
you
a
love?
nature lover.
Wow. If you could look like someone famous, who would it be? And why?
I love myself.
Okay, good. एक scene from a TV show जी तू केन्नाच विसरपा ना.
TV show. I think this daily show is always crying when crying. I'm a happy person,
Okay.
so I can't tell you right now any exact scene, you know.
All right. Okay. How good are you with budgeting money?
Don't ask me that.
Is it the story of every girl, every woman? Okay.
Kind of.
एका दिसा तू कितल्यो सेल्फी काडटा?
I'm a selfie person. I think I love clicking. I was just trying to click ours
Did you
just
take it
now.
now?
No,
Okay,
but we
after
will
this
do
you
it.
take. All right. Okay. What is the last thing you liked on social media?
What I liked, there are so many things here, but I usually don't follow social media. Every news I don't follow, so I will
Alright.
not say
Okay.
a particular one.
तुका कोणाची चोड भिरांत दिसता?
Maka, when I was small, I used to get scared of ghost.
Ghost.
I think still
Till
it's
now?
there somewhere.
Okay. What is the stupidest dare you've ever agreed to?
I'm a very adventurous person. I think I keep doing that.
Okay. What phrase do you find yourself typing most?
Typing most. Any.
Any.
Yeah.
Any.
Yeah.
Alright. What is the favorite part of this job?
Creativity.
Okay. Your recent TV ad?
I think I'd done Asian Paint, but it was quite some time back.
Okay. तुका राग केन्ना येता?
I'm a very shant person actually, you know, shant. But
Okay, you don't get angry?
I'm a very patient person. but
I'm getting the
but
feedback.
yeah, so चुकून आयलो जाल्यार it's
Okay. Alright, well played. Moving on to Prasad. Are you ready?
I am half ready.
Okay. तू कोई रावता?
What is that?
Okay. What surprises you?
I don't get surprised very easily.
Okay. Do you have your own Netflix account or do you use somebody else's?
I use somebody else's everything.
Work or travel?
Work.
Okay. तुझा best friend कोण? Oh, there's a tricky time.
Oh, myself.
Yourself. If you had said something else, no, तुका video call करूला पचाना. So best you did. What was your first job?
The one that I mentioned.
Okay. What word do you hate hearing?
No.
No. Okay. What
Like
is
can't. Negativity.
What is your favorite store?
Favorite?
Store.
Store.
This question had to be asked that side.
बरे झाले, बरे झाले.
I don't go any stores rather than my own 24/7.
I knew you would say this. What is the most interesting thing you have in your purse or wallet right now?
I don't carry a wallet or a purse.
Wallet you don't carry.
I
Good.
just carry my license and card.
Alright, so कल breakfast तक तुवें कितें खाल्लेलें?
Omelette and bread.
Your favorite movie line?
कल हो ना हो.
कल हो ना हो. Which co-worker makes you laugh?
Of course, you have to take my name.
I have to stop that person laughing. Not only me, the whole crew.
Alright, तुझे तकलीन कितें येता जेन्ना हांव हें word म्हणटा? Fruit.
Fruit came.
Fruit. Fruit येयलें?
Apple.
Alright. Apple? केन्ना तरी तुवें कोणाचें कितें चोरलां?
Go for it.
Yeah? My God. Alright, tell us last lie that you told someone.
Sometime back, I guess I told a lie.
What was the lie?
I'll tell it later
Alright.
after the show.
Well played, yeah. Now we are moving on to the final round, and that is called Read My Lips. You know what is Read My Lips?
Your
Yes.
lips?
Not my lips.
Your lips?
Both of us lips. Okay, are you
Okay.
ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
God.
Alright, Read My Lips with Prasad and Samiksha. So, are you all ready? The
Ready.
rules are simple. तुवें एक चीट काडपाचो, वाचपाचें, but you cannot say it louder.
Okay.
Whisper करपाचें. So, read my lips.
Okay. तर काय पाय उपना.
There'll be loud music going on in her ears.
मकानी किती जाते म्हणू शकता का हांव?
Nah, only the chitter up with it. So are you ready? Okay.
Hopefully, हे सारखे हा.
Done.
First read it for your own self. You have just 30 seconds by the way.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
How fast? Slowly. My. Slowly, one.
30
My.
seconds you have.
My. Maka. Sarko. How auto. Maka. चा. पळोवपाक. घेवपाक.
Okay.
चा केन्नाच्यान पोवपा लागलो तूं?
It is maka chow pupils.
जाय.
Alright, okay. सारखे सांगतो तो. Read it first.
I wanted to lose.
You're making purposely what? Ready? 30 seconds you have.
This is me.
30 seconds you have.
हय.
Music is on.
म्हाका कांयच आयकपा येना. चिटींग करनाका तुमी दोगूय जाण.
हळूलय.
तुम्ही both of you are cheating.
Okay, alright. Your time starts now.
रस्त्यार
कोंकणी.
रस्त्यार ट्रॅफिक
वळू वळू.
ट्रॅफिक ट्रॅफिक
श्रावण. वन.
रस्त्यार रस्तो ओके सेकंड ट्रॅफिक ट्रॅ
जेवण.
ट्रॅ ट्रॅ ट्रॅफिक फिक
हांव आवटो जाला.
ट्रॅफिक
भूक लागल्या.
ट्रॅफिक
न्हीद येता.
You're going to kill me now.
पिसो आला.
1 second.
झालं, बेल
1
वाजलं.
second.
कंप्लीट कर.
म्हाका भूक लागल्या
Tell.
रस्त्यार ट्रॅफिक असा
तू कितें की तो रस्तो भियालो
कित्याक मला तशेंच दिसतलें तुका तुजी कानां वाजतले
यू नॉट इवन सेइंग तू तुझे सगळे वर्ड सेमूच दिसता
Okay.
एक
आता
और-
guess करतलो तू. Now you'll be guessing it. Now she'll have
I'll
a
be
hard time.
guessing.
Okay. Yeah.
माझे दोन्ही फेवरेट थँक्स
Take your time.
अरे देवा
Read it.
म्हाका म्युजीक लाव ना म्हाका
Done?
कितले व्हडलें आसा
Music is on. ऐकू येता? Alright. And your time starts now. 30 seconds. Say something.
जेवण
Now you're doing cheating. Say it like properly.
वाड म्हाका भूक लागला
He almost got it.
जेवण वाड म्हाका भूक लागला
Because you're getting it, she started not softer.
हा म्हणटा हळूहळू अशें अशें जावपाक लागलें
कॅन्डिडा हाऊ कॅन यू सपोर्ट हिम आणि तू थंय चिटिंग करता बसून
Read it.
हे माझे फेवरेट मग
Okay, you have just 30 seconds. तो जिंकतलो.
येस
30 seconds. Your time
you never
starts
told me
now.
about words
Asim and father Ami Assam and for
Stop it.
two
Okay,
for
say it. Say it.
हासप एक वखत ऍटलीस्ट
Anyways, he won. Who won?
obviously
Alright, I enjoyed this interview because you know you all were very playful आणि तू जिंकलो दिसता मला.
बाय लक न्हू ते बाय फॉल्ट
I failed a lot in
But
life.
but I know की मागे इंटरव्यू काबार जाण तुम्ही जो गोटेल मसो दिसता. More token of appreciation
Thank you.
from the
थँक यू
people in media.
कॅन्डिडा
Thank you so much
खूप बरें
for coming over here. तुमचो मोलादीक वेळ आमचे खातीर दिलो म्हणून काल जनतान तुमकां दोगांयकूय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Thank you very
तुका कॅन्डिडा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर हॅव्हिंग अस
थँक्यू. तशें तुमकां सगल्यांक आमची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड
With Candida.